Let's do this beautiful sum. It's a very, very, very interesting one. The first sentence says that we require a number line and there's a point P on the number line. Its coordinate is -7. It says further, find the coordinates of the points that are at a distance of 8 units from point P. Now on this number line, there's a point P. They're saying find the coordinates of the points that are at a distance of 8 units. Now, at a distance of 8 units, how many points can we have on this number line from point P? There can be two, one to the right of P, the other to the left of P. Beautiful. That means there are going to be 2 points. Let's take one to the right. So, let's say 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get a point. Let's say we take that as point Q and its coordinate is X. We are supposed to find the value of X. Simple. Let's say we took one to the right, we have to take the next to the left. Let's do that. So let's take that again to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get a point. Let's take that point as R and we take its coordinate to be Y. We know that the distance between P and Q is 8 units. Distance between P and R is Y units. Beautiful. That's what we have. This is interesting. We are supposed to find the value of X and the value of Y. How do we get that now? Right? Now we are talking about distance. We are talking about distance between P and Q. What is that? It is 8 units. And we know that we can find, if we know the coordinates of the point, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by a formula that is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. And that is what we are going to do. But let's first define what is Q. Yes, we took a point Q. What is that? To the right of P at a distance of 8 units from point P. And we are talking about distance between P and Q. What is the coordinate of P? Coordinate of P is -7 and coordinate of Q we have taken it as X. So we write there, let the coordinate of Q be X. Now, if we want the value of X, we need to form an equation. And we can get that equation by using this information, that is distance between P and Q. But when we are talking about distance between P and Q, first of all, we need to know out of these 2 coordinates, which one is the greater one, which one is the smaller one. Can we identify? You will say this is a variable, that's a number, that's a constant. How do we? Yes, because if you look here, X is to the right of -7 on a number line to the right, that number is greater. That means we are saying that X is greater than -7. So we write there X greater than -7 because it is to the right of -7. Understand, very important. So now we know the greater coordinate, we know the smaller coordinate, right? So now we can write distance between P and Q is equal to greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Beautiful. Now substitute the value. What is greater coordinate? Greater coordinate is nothing but X. So we write there X. And the distance between P and Q we know is 8. So we write there. And greater coordinate, as we said, it is X. So we write there X minus the smaller coordinate. What is the smaller coordinate? It is nothing but -7. So now solve it further. What do we get? 8 is equal to X. Minus into minus is nothing but plus. So we get X plus 7. Beautiful. We want the value of X. Plus 7 goes on to the other side. What do we get? -7. That means we'll say 8 minus 7 is equal to X. Beautiful. We wrote that. That means what is X? X is equal to 1. That's the value of X we got. X is equal to 1. Isn't that easy? We are not done. We just got the coordinate of Q. Now we need to find the coordinate of R. Let's do that. That's going to be interesting. It's again the same way. You understood. But let's define what is R and its coordinate. So we write that. What is R? It's nothing but a point to the left of P. Right? And now we are talking about distance between P and R. What is the coordinate of P? It is -7. What is the coordinate of R? We are taking it as Y. So we write let the coordinate of R be small y. Now between these two, which one is the greater one, which one is the smaller one? It's very simple. Y is to the left, that means it is smaller, and -7 is greater. So we write the -7 is greater than Y. We wrote that. Now we can write the next statement. Distance between P and R is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. What is distance between P and R? 8. So we write the 8 is equal to greater coordinate. What is that? It is -7 minus the smaller coordinate. What is that? Y. Beautiful. Let's solve it further. Now we can keep that minus y. We take it to the other side. It becomes plus y. That plus 8 comes here. It becomes -8. That means we get -7 minus 8. -7 minus 8. How much is that? It is nothing but -15. That means we get, because both have the same sign, so add and put the same sign there, -15. We got the value of y is -15. That means we got both the coordinates now. So we got the value of x, we got the value of y. Wasn't that easy? Beautiful. So we can now write the final answer there. The final answer is very simple. We write the required coordinates of the points are 1 and minus 15. Isn't that easy? Beautiful sum. Very important.